Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, and if you're new here, please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let's get started. So in today's video we are making breakfast's best cupcakes, and we'll be using 1.5 cups of wheat flour. We'll be using baking powder, we're using bicarbonate of soda, we'll be using these paper cups. Flavor, we're going to use vanilla flavor, and milk. So we'll need a teaspoon of baking powder, we need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients together and put them aside. So in our other mixing bowl, we are going to go in with 2 full spoons of margarine, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Then we put in a teaspoon of the vanilla flavor, and then we are going to use a mixer and beat this up or mix it together until it's soft and fluffy. You can use the hand mixer, or you can use a stick. If you watch my previous video about the cake, you can use that small mixer that is not electrical. So you mix this until it has changed color somehow, like you're seeing, and once it's this fluffy, we will add in some yolks. However, you can add in full eggs, but I already beat up the egg whites using this mixer until they were fluffy, because I wanted some air in my cakes. I wanted them more light. You can see they are already foamy, and this is going to help my cupcakes have that foamy, spongy finishing or feeling. So I'm going to beat this up together and also mix it well until I have a soft and fluffy mixture. So at this stage, we are going to add in our flour in 3 batches. Mix this up, then add more, making sure no lumps are remaining. And adding the flour in bits helps you get the right consistency. In case you put too much or put too little, because sometimes measurements can go wrong. So putting it in batches can also help you maintain and get the right consistency. So this is what we have, and we are going to go in with 1/4 cup of milk, whole cream milk, and then we are going to use this non-electric hand mixer and beat it up, and then we can finally add in our remaining flour. So mix gently until there are no lumps remaining in your batter. However, it also depends on how you want it. Some people don't really overmix it, but then I don't like mine with any unbeaten lumps. So we mix up to this stage, and then we're ready to assemble our cupcakes. And we are going to put this in the oven for about 15 minutes to 20. If you do not have the cup for the paper cups, you can just oil or butter or grease the inner part of the cupcake trays, and then you just put the butter. They can also come out that way. If you don't know how to do that, you can check out my carrot cake recipe. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Check it out and see how you can do that to pull it off without this lining paper. So once you put in a stick and it comes out clean, that means we are ready. So we put them on a rack for some minutes until they are cool, and then we can enjoy our fluffy, melting in the mouth cupcakes. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have come this far and you haven't subscribed, please do, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Share the link with your friends. See you soon in my next video. Bye.